Imagine waking up every morning knowing that money is flowing into your account, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful ways to make $10,000 a month in passive income. These methods work for beginners and can completely change your financial future. Make sure to watch until the end, because tip number 5 is a game changer. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income online. You don't need a product, customer service, or inventory. Just promote other people's products using special affiliate links, and you get paid every time someone makes a purchase. For example, some people earn 6 figures just by recommending products on Amazon, ClickBank, or software like Bluehost and Shopify. Imagine writing a single blog post or creating a simple YouTube video that brings in commissions every month without extra effort. If you want to start affiliate marketing today, look for products with high commissions and recurring payments, so you get paid month after month. 2. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is a true money-making machine. Unlike physical products, there's no shipping, no storage, and no overhead costs. You create the product once and sell it forever. This includes ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, online courses, and even AI-generated content. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy allow you to sell digital products to a global audience. The best part? Digital products have high profit margins, meaning most of what you make is pure profit. 3. YouTube automation. Most people think you need to be on camera to make money on YouTube. That's not true. With AI tools, you can create faceless YouTube channels that generate revenue from ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. The strategy is simple. Find trending topics, generate AI voiceovers, use stock footage, and upload consistently. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will start paying you for ads. Many YouTube automation channels make $5,000 to $50,000 per month. And once a video is published, it can earn you money for years. 4. Dividend stocks. Imagine getting paid just for holding stocks. That's exactly how dividend investing works. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson pay investors every quarter just for owning their shares. This is a great way to earn passive income because as long as you hold these stocks, you keep getting paid. And if the stock price rises, you make even more money. A good strategy is to reinvest your dividends to accelerate your earnings over time. This is how many investors build long-term wealth. 5. Print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without ever touching inventory. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful handle production and shipping for you. You just upload your designs, and whenever someone buys, you get paid a royalty. Some designers make $5,000 to $20,000 per month without ever handling a single product. These 5 methods have helped thousands of people achieve financial freedom. The best part? You don't need special skills to get started. But the question is, which one will you choose? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on building wealth.